Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, good evening. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so can we start now? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, that's good to hear. So now let's start for this part. So we have here the letter C. So number one, the correct answer is this one. Okay, it's a lie. Okay, or it could be pie. How about number two?
Uh,
Yes, what is the correct answer for number two? It's a,
it's
okay,
hi.
it's tie. How about number three?
Hi.
Okay, number four.
Hi.
Okay, it's a tie
Hi.
as well. All right, very good. So next, let's have now the letter D, which is on the right, and then read the number. So please read number one,
The hi is on the right.
two,
Hi is on the right.
three,
The die is on the right.
four,
The line is the right.
okay, very good. So number one, the die is on the right, the pie is on the right, the tie is on the right, and I lie on the right. Okay, so what do you call this picture here?
Ôi bố. Có biết bơi
This
rồi.
is a pie. Okay, this one, it's a
Die.
die. This one, it's
Ừ, là
it's a
thầy.
tie. Okay, number four.
Die.
Okay, this one is I lie on the right. So this one, this is the boy. I lie on the right. Okay, so next here, please read pie.
Thái sai. Thái. Thái. Thái.
Okay, we have pie, tie, lie, and die. So next here is the word. Please read.
Die.
It's a spy. Okay, that is a spy. Next, number two.
Cry.
Okay, number three.
Cry.
Number four.
My.
Okay, spy, sky, cry, and my. How about this one? Please read the letter E.
Cry. Sky. And cry. Can the sky cry?
All right, a spy can cry. Can the sky cry? Okay, so next. How about this one? So let's try to answer the unscrambled letters. Okay, so this one, what should be the correct answer? Number one
Bye.
is by. Number two, That is
Her.
try. Number 3.
Side.
Okay, that is sigh. Number 4.
Might.
Might. Very good. Okay, good job. So next is the letter B. We have the cub in the night. So please read.
Let make the pea pie for our cup. Give cup. Where is the cup? Look at the sky in night. It is fine. Don't cry. I have my life. Let's find him. He is high in a pie. I am fine. We like pie.
Okay, next.
This is my jeep, and I have a key. The sun is high. Let's go to the sea.
Okay, this is my Jeep and I have the key. The sun is high. Let's go to the sea. Right? So next, we can swim.
We can swim. We can dive. Play in sand. We can eat apple pie, some candy, and be happy.
Okay, good job. Next.
Listen, circle.
Okay, so listen, circle, and write. So what should be the answer here? It has the letter T. The answer is?
Nine.
Okay, that is a night. How about number 2?
Star.
Okay, that is seed. Okay, seed or C. How about number 3?
Online.
Correct. Number 4.
Nine.
Okay, that is key. Number 4 is a key. Okay, next, letter C, read, check, then ask your partner. So is it night? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you fine?
Yes.
Can you see a bee?
Yes.
Do you like pie?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much for your answers. Next, let's have now this picture. Can you tell me what is this? The first one?
Lip.
Okay, the second?
C.
Okay, how about this one? All right,
Pie.
correct. How about this one? It's,
Align.
and this one,
B.
this one.
P.
Okay, correct. Next, please read.
B. Candy chip. T. Leaf.
Okay, B, candy, chip, key, and lip. Correct. How about this one?
Live. Dive. Five. P. Pie. Live.
Okay, we have light, dice, pie, pie, and lie. Okay, so the first word It's a, okay, that's a boat. Okay, number 2. Number 2 is, that is a coat. Number 3,
Rope.
okay, number 4.
Rope.
All right, correct. How about this one? Letter C. Letter C is, that is a coat. How about
Letter
number
C
2?
is
Okay, that is a coat.
number 2. Road.
Okay,
That is a
road.
coat.
Very good. Number
Road.
3, it's a boat. Number 4,
Swamp.
it's a soap. Okay, that is a soap. All right, very good. So now let's try to match. So where's the coat here? It's here. Okay. Where's the road? This one. Where's the boat? At the side. Where's the soap? At the side. Okay.
Road.
So we have coat, road, boat, and soap. Okay, so next for the letter D, I have a new red. What's the answer? Yes, number 1 is,
Number 1 is
I have a new red.
red house.
Okay, number 2, I use,
I use
yes, I use soap in the tub. How about number 3? I ride my bike on the,
soap in
okay, on the road. I see a big, number 4 is, I see a big fish in the bay. Okay, so we're done for that. For the letter E, please read, my soap.
my soap. My soap and coat are on the boat.
Okay, my soap and coat are on the boat. How about this one? Please read. That is
My
bow.
soap.
Okay, bow. How about number 2? Row. Number 3. Hello. How about number 3?
Pink.
Okay, yellow. Number 4.
Hello.
Number 4. It's pillow. Okay. So now let's proceed this one. Please read these words. Row.
Let's read these words. Yellow. Oh.
Okay. Okay, done.
Yes.
Done reading. Okay, so just
Yes.
a recap. All right. This is row, boat, bow, road, yellow, coat, soap, bow, pillow, road, coat, yellow, boat, row, soap, and yellow. So these are the different words. So now let's try to answer letter D. I see a, what do you call this one? A yellow pillow. Okay. Number 2, I have a ribbon. Okay, this one. I have a ribbon on my jacket. Okay, next. Number 3.
The song is
All right. Number 4. All right. Number 4.
about about
Okay. All right. Very good. Next, this one. Please read. Pillow. Okay, we have pillow, row, yellow, bow. Okay, next. Can you say these words? The first word is, what animal is this?
go.
It's a goat. Number 2. Number 3. Number 2. Okay, number 4, it's window. We have goat, toad, elbow, and window.
Elbow.
Okay. Next, letter B. This is window. This is, okay, that is toad. How about this one? Ribbon,
Ribbon.
boat,
Goat. Goat. Elbow.
and
Row.
okay. All right, good job. Next, please read this one. This is toad. Number 2. This one.
Elbow.
This one.
Goat. Pillow. Sock. Row. Window.
Okay, good job. How about the first? This is, it's a cow. This one. This is,
Goat.
okay, this one.
Elbow.
Correct. This one. How about this? It's a window. This one. Okay, that is a road. Okay, so just a recap. This is a goat. This is a bow. This is a elbow. Number 4, it's a toad. 5, a window. 6, it's a road. Okay, understand? Hello? Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. All right, so that's all for tonight. So let's continue this one for our next meeting, okay? So thank you so much
Yes.
for joining the class and bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Okay.